Since first personal computers were created, the digital writing space is usually defined by a keyboard, a mouse as pointing device, and the screen. But the recent development of artificial intelligence could redefine this. These progresses have led computers to a more precise and construct vision. Through their cameras, they can now recognize more or less complex shapes. The accuracy is pretty good for most common shapes. Otherwise, it can lead us to fortunate writing accidents. What if these technologies could be used to open novel ways of writing? Redefine the creative process by finding alternative writing directions and narratives. Integrated in our daily life, this could lead to experiment writing through visual. In this alternative configuration, we could draw and scribble as writing act, just adding a paper sheet and a pen. And through his vision, our computer becomes a writing partner. Let's see how this extended writing relationship could redefine practices. So through this simple interface, we will explore different interactions. On the left side is the computer's vision of our paper sheet, and on the right side is the writing area. Let's say I want to write a short fiction. I will start to draw basic shapes in the visual space to see how it could work. The computer tries to identify in real time what I'm scribbling on the paper. Snowflakes. Here's a starting point. We can shift to the writing space at any moment by clicking on it and adding what we want from the computer's findings. So let's work from this. The snowflakes felt fat and delicate on... Okay, let's go back to the visual space. Not interested by this lead? Let's try another thing. Sure, why not? Let's go back to the writing space and add my words. The snowflakes felt fat and delicate on my hot tongue. Okay, now we have a sentence that was constructed through a visual research of ideas. Now, let's see how we could explore alternative interfaces with this distortion. Starting from this sentence, let's say you want to explore several directions. Different narrative modes, such as interrogative, dialectical, or exclamative, could be automated and triggered by drawing. Let's draw an exclamation mark to see. If I want to erase it, I just have to scribble over it. Okay, now let's try the question mark. I'm going to go with the questioning mode. I find it to be the most interesting. Following these exploratory interfaces and interactions, we have broadened our writing experience with different narrations and perceived multiple directions in the creative process.